Hello, Spandana.
Right. So, where did we stop? Just tell me where did we stop last time?
Uh, we were talking about Dockers and imaging.
Docker imagine. Okay. Are you practicing something simple all this time?
Yeah, I was doing a little bit practice, but between I even have a few calls and interviews, so I was even preparing for them.
Okay, okay. Yes, I shared this document with you, right?
Yeah, we got the document.
Just somewhere in. Did we install Docker? No, right? Shit.
I guess we did not install Docker.
Let's say Docker installation. I guess we didn't start off an installation. We discussed on this images. Here we had a discussion that day. After this, we didn't even look over installation. Okay, so let's quickly go over installation. Okay, first we have to update and upgrade our system. After that, we have to make sure that AUFs are supported. Okay, for that we need to install Linux image extra uname -r. Okay, so after that we need to add a key, and then we need to, as after adding a key, how we did, after adding a key we downloaded Debian for Jenkins, and then we went ahead and installed it. Same procedure we follow here as well to install Docker. I just did an upgrade. It has got a Debian. Then it is installing Linux image extra 3.13.0.7 version. After this, we need to add a key and then download a Debian and install it. That's it. Apt key, imported one, RS key. Getting a Debian. Just updated my system. Install Docker engine. Bye. Okay. This installed Docker engine. So once Docker is installed, we need to make some changes to default UFW file. Okay. So I was telling UFW. What is UFW? It is Ubuntu's default firewall, which stops or which blocks few, um, you know, uh, few things required by this Docker to run. Okay, so it blocks it, and it, as it's a firewall, it has a capability to control traffic, whether whatever incoming traffic or outgoing traffic, it has a capability to control it because it's a firewall. Okay, so now it denies traffic whichever is forwarding, means whichever is incoming to Docker. So to enable it, we have to make change in etc default UFW firewall. We need UFW is nothing but Ubuntu's default firewall. We need to make changes. Okay, so in that we have a section default forward policy. There you have drop. You have to make it. You have to change it from drop to enable or accept. Drop to accept. That's it. vi slash etc slash default slash UFW. Default forward policy. See, output policy, it is accept. Whatever outbound traffic is going, it is. Forward policy, it is not doing it. Okay. So what's the buttons? It is installed. Sudo docker will give you a list of all the available commands, or docker help will give you a list of all the available commands. Couldn't get you?
No, no, Spandana, nothing, nothing. I was just.
The same commands which we discussed: attach, build, commit, cp, create, def, events, a lot of them are here. Just give me a version even. Yeah. So these are some commands. These are all the commands which Docker has, not some but everything. Okay, it's not such a big topic. So coming here, you have attach, an option to attach something, whatever you want to attach, a file, you want to attach an image, whatever, to a running container. There is a container already, you want to attach something to it or append something to it, have an option attach. Okay, to build. So there is, you can build an image from directly, you can pull an image and create an image. Okay, first from base image we can pull an image and create a new image, or else we can build an image from a Docker file. A Docker file is nothing but a set of configuration file which has all some data written inside it. Okay, and commit, create a new image from a container's changes. Okay, so whenever you're making changes to a container, when you do commit, it will create a new image with all the latestly effective changes. Okay, cp to copy files, different containers, create to create a new container. So all this. So I said, how am I going to do a pull? It's here. Pull an image or repository from a registry. Okay, I'm pulling it from but says this created something. Download a newer image for Ubuntu latest. Okay. Whenever you create some image, you want to have a look at it now after creating it. So how would you look at the image? Sudo docker images will list all the available images. Okay. Name is Ubuntu, 2 weeks back. install Docker, it says install 2 weeks back. Something else. But what are the options we have? Let's go up and see what we have. List images. Will show you list of any running containers. Okay, so container is built on a standard image. Okay, it's showing it like that, but this is a one which we just created. Okay, because CentOS was not there and we just created it. It's showing it now, right? So it's showing it that way, but it is one we just created latestly. Okay, so from the images, sudo docker pull whatever is the OS type you wanted. It will create an image out of it. Okay, which you can use it for further operations, and you can list it using sudo docker images and sudo sudo docker ps will list you all the containers. Docker images will list you all the images. That's it. For listing, we have only two list options, one for containers and one for images. That's it. So the Sampath,
Yes, Pandana.
to hear it's okay, right?
Yeah, it's clear.
Sampath?
Yeah, it's clear, Pandana.
Okay, okay. Sampath will join probably tomorrow, if you don't mind.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
I'm sorry guys that I wasn't joining since so many days. My health is not good. That's the reason why I wasn't joining, okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
I'll drop off as of now. I'll have a
Okay.
word with, okay?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Shiva? Shiva? Just complete this installation. We'll complete Docker in next session. One session and we can complete everything in and out. Okay? Probably tomorrow I'll complete it. Okay?
Okay.
Thanks. Not able to sit, actually I'm getting pain, that's why. Okay, chalo, bye. Shiva.